Good morning. My name is Shikha Patel. I'm a fashion student who TIIFS की. And so my 3 years experience here has been a very beautiful journey because of the faculty who are very supportive towards the students and the learning process we had here, and the subjects which we were taught us, like CAD, draping, and fashion forecasting, process and stuff. So it's been a nice experience. एंड हमें फील्ड इवेंट्स, फील्ड विजिट सब करवाए थे, जहाँ पे हमें पूरा मर्चेंडाइजिंग से लेकर द प्रोसेस ऑफ हाउ द फैब्रिक्स एंड गारमेंट्स आर मेड were taught, and it was a nice thing.